Let's start by creating our content test file for our ZAP API test. We'll add our target API definition, the API format, the hostname to override, and the remote open API spec, whether we want safe mode or not, our config file, whether we want to show our debug messages. We'll set short output to false, the minimum level to show, which username we want to use for authenticated scans, the delay in seconds to wait for passive scanning, the max time in minutes to wait for ZAP to start and for the passive scan to run, our ZAP command line options, and if our scan should fail on warnings. Save it as ZAP API YAML and head over to Testkube. Signing using either your GitHub or GitLab account, wherever the repo we want to test is in. And now let's create our test. We'll name it ZAP-test. Choose ZAP as our test type. Select Git as our source and copy our Git repo URI. We'll tell Testkube to grab it from our main branch and click on Create. Now that our test is created, let's go to the test settings and add our YAML file to our arguments and hit save. Now we can trigger our first run, and we'll be able to see our logs in real time by clicking on our execution. And done, we can see that our execution was successful. And our ZAP report will be available to download from the Artifacts tab.